inches. Then they got the overlap, and you're thinking it's done.
Exactly, a tiny little overlap right there, possibly. But the umpires say, hey, no harm, no foul. You can see it's broken already again. This is just a situation where it becomes a time and distance start. Both boats get very close to the starting line. When they get close to the starting line, then all of a sudden it becomes much more difficult for the boat behind, in this particular case, to actually do the damage of a major hook. Time and distance, who can accelerate better? We've been saying all along, it's a tough spot to be to leeward right now. If the boat up to weather, which is Oracle, has a bit of a gap, they can put their boat bow down and possibly power over the top. But the Kiwis fend it off beautifully in this situation and lead around Mark 1. We thought that's all they had to do at this stage, Todd. We were wrong.
Gary, you were out on the water. You had possibly the best vantage point from what you saw. Was there a turning point? Was there one mistake that you could point to where Emirates gave it away?
Well, Oracle right there nosediving cost him that moment, and that got him behind. But really, he had two moments. Going downwind, there was a good shot there. Well, we're looking at the start here. Going downwind, they should have jived and covered. But New Zealand, way down on the left lay line, gets a hook underneath there, forcing USA up. It was very dangerous. They were another boat length to the left. New Zealand wouldn't have been able to get to the line. And then coming off the line, Oracle nosedive one time, just in accelerating, allowing New Zealand to have an overlap heading for that first escape. So maybe a little bit of luck, but I like the aggressiveness of Dean Barker. He's got to be able to do it again in that final race.
And this was the moment. Emirates, Team New Zealand, right away.
In catamarans, it's a very awkward spot that you're only about a boat length and a half, 2 boat lengths ahead at that stage. It's really hard to tack directly in front of your competitor because they can zoom underneath you and automatically get in a right-away position, a luffing position, so they tack well to leeward. Maybe a little too far to leeward possibly, but again, folks, it's so hard to judge at the speeds they're coming at each other, and here's the moment of the race. New Zealand is a little slower. Oracle puts themselves up on their foils and literally just zooms right up alongside, going 4 or 5 knots faster at this stage, which is a lot. And all of a sudden they're in dominant position. They go into a position where now they're giving Team New Zealand dirty air.